Hey guys, Patrick here with Window Tinting Business, and this is the Tri-Edge Smooth It. We all love the feeling of a brand new hard card when installing film. The problem is those brand new edges don't stay new for long. Now we try to replicate those edges the best that we can by either cutting the edge or using aggressive sandpaper, but it's never quite that new feeling. Until now. The Smooth It was designed specifically to maintain a factory edge. The Smooth It is easy to use. Simply spray down the unit with your favorite slip solution, insert a hard card in, and go back and forth about 10 to 15 times. That's it. The only thing I noticed is that you can't use an easy reach with this product because it will literally cut through the pad. The Smooth It pads come in two different options, either the black coarse 600D or the gray finer 1000D. Switching out the pads or replacing the pads is very simple, just unscrew the two screws and switch out the pads. But a quicker option I found out was to simply get two Smooth Its, one with the gray and one with the black. That way my workflow is faster. For more information on this product, you can go to triedge.com or check them out on Instagram and Facebook as well. If you're interested in purchasing this product, contact your local tool distributor and ask for the Tri-Edge Smooth It.